You are welcome once again to Content Viewer channel. Like, subscribe so you won't miss any episode of this teaching. What we are coming to do today is an introduction to Excel. Excel. So you have our home menu. Under the home menu, you have the clipboard, font, alignment, number, star, cells, editing. So this is what makes up the home menu. You have insert menu, and under the insert menu you have tables, illustrations, add-ins, charts, towers. You have sparkling, filter, links, text, symbols. So this is what makes up the insert menu. Let's see page layout. Under the page layout you have themes, and you have page setup, scale to fit, sheet options, arrange. So this is what makes up the page layout. You have formula, and under the formula you have function library. You have define names, formula, auditing, you have calculation, and you have data menu, and under the data menu you have get external data, get and transform, connection, sort and filter, data tools, forecast, outline. So this is what makes up the data menu. You have review, and under the review you have proven, insight, language, comments, changes. So this is what makes up the review. You have view menu, workbook views, show, zoom, window, macros. You have add-ins, and under the add-ins you have student tools and menu commands. So you have the name box A1 representing where it has been selected. What you are seeing is a cell. So you have also B1, the name box. So you have cell A2 representing where it has been selected. So insert function, and you have formula bar. They all have a purpose and a function, and this is just an introduction that we are making in Excel. This is just an introduction. So let's see what you mean by the formula menu. A3, let's see where it is being represented. So where the cell has been selected, if you type a formula, it will show there. All what we are seeing is number of cells. All these are cells which you work with. All these are cells. And what you are seeing is sheet 1, new sheet. So you can open the sheet it's not being opened because a cell has been selected. So if I unselect, I will be able to open a new sheet. I will come back there. What you are seeing here is the zoom menu. Okay, so I have opened a new sheet. So now I'm having two sheets. I can open again, new sheet, three sheets, another sheet, making four. I can open a number of sheets provided it will be needed or useful. Thank you for watching. It's just an introduction to Excel. Subscribe to Content Viewer channel and be updated. Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye.